What's up, Deer Park Honors History students? Today is writing day. You are writing your essay today. Again, the easiest way to write the essay is to follow the outline. If you put all these things that you're supposed to put into your essay will be very, very well graded. Again, starting with an attention grabber, some way, somehow to make people interested in reading your paper. Background, have 3, 4, 5 sentences about how things started in imperialism in Africa. Some background, maybe define what the word imperialism means. Maybe talk about the Berlin Conference. Those would be definitely things to add to your intro. And then your thesis should be about a one line, not about a one line, should be about one line um, sentence describing your thoughts on this idea of the effects of imperialism on Africa. And then the roadmap is just your three things that you're trying to say, your 3 points that you're going to make. Paragraph two, again, that's your first idea, whatever it might be. Hey, it was positive towards the economic things, or it was negative because of the loss of land. Okay, quote from a document or two, and then explain your quotes. Explain what they mean. Describe who said it, why that person might have said something like that, and then repeat for your second point, your third point, and then in the end restate your main idea and then maybe make a comparison, make an extra big point, maybe back to your intro, or compare it to another place. All right, imperialism in Africa, was that the same as imperialism in Japan, or imperialism in China, or imperialism in India? All right, try to make some sort of connection to another place or imperialism as a whole. Again, do your best, take your time. You can type it, you can handwrite it, it doesn't matter to me. I recommend typing it. That way you've got spell check and you can go back and erase and edit if you would so desire. And then you see what you're going to be graded on, mechanics and usage. Make sure you spell things correctly. You have the 5 paragraphs. You have all the things that you're supposed to have in there. All right, so look over the rubric before you submit it. Again, they are officially due tomorrow. Have a great day. I'll be here at the end of the day if you want to stop in and have me answer a question or two. See ya.